In this video review, we'll introduce you to the Medify MA-25 air purifier. It's a small device equipped with a dual true HEPA filter that fits ideally into a small living room, kitchen, office, and similar spaces. In the following scenes, find out how it performed in our tests and how good it really is. But before we get started, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. The Medify MA-25 is a simple air purifier that doesn't require advanced preparation before the first start. To get started, remove the filters from the device. Remove them from the plastic wrap and put them back inside the unit. The next step is to plug the power cord into the Medify. Place it in the desired location, taking care not to block the airflow, plug it in, and switch it on. The Medify MA-25 is a sleek, rectangular-shaped, compact air purifier. It's very similar to other air purifiers from Medify. This model is available in black, silver, and white. There is a control panel on the top, filters on the sides, and vents on the front panel. On the sides, at the top, you can find slots that you can use to move the unit from room to room. The build quality and the plastic quality are of very high quality. All this, along with 3 different color options, makes the Medify fit into almost any ambiance. We were surprised that the control panel is made of tempered glass, especially as this is not often the case with devices of this type. The control panel is located at the top and contains touch buttons and indicators. The buttons located on the Medify MA-25 are child lock, timer, power, speed, and dimmer. Each button is an indicator itself, so it lights up when active. Some buttons, such as the timer and speed, have additional indicators above them to indicate the current status of the option. We really like the position of the control panel and the layout, and the sensitivity of the touch buttons. You can find more information on the options of this device at airpurifierfirst.com. This air purifier has a slightly specific airflow. The device draws in air through the openings on the sides, which is then filtered and exits through the slots on the front, which can be problematic if you intend to keep the air purifier on an office desk. The Medify MA-25 uses a 3-in-1 dual filter, consisting of a pre-filter, a true HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter. These high-quality filters are rectangular and positioned on the device's sides. The first filtration stage in this air purifier is the pre-filter, whose function is to trap all large particles such as pet hair, pet fibers, and pet dander, thus extending the life of the true HEPA filters. The second filtration stage is the true HEPA filter, which captures 99.97% of harmful particles, including allergens, odors, VOCs, smoke, pollen, pet dander, dust, smog, pollutants, and others down to 0.3 microns in size. The third filtration stage is an activated carbon filter that absorbs pet dander, cooking odors, and household VOCs. The Medify MA-25 has no ionizer or additional filtration stage. It doesn't produce ozone and is entirely safe to use. For more information on filtration, visit airpurifierfirst.com. The Medify MA-25 does not use washable filters, which means that the filters need to be changed from time to time. The filter life on this device is on average between 3 and 4 months. The good thing is that Medify has a filter reset indicator that will let you know when it's time to change the filter. The filter replacement process is straightforward. Just switch off the Medify before starting. Then open the covers on the sides and remove the old filters from the device. After this, it would be a good idea to vacuum the area where you see any dust remains. Then unpack the new filters, insert them into the unit, and close the lids. The last step is to reset the filter reset indicator by holding your finger on the dimmer button for 3 seconds. The Medify MA-25 has only 3 speeds and does not have a sleep mode. It is, however, commendable that this device operates very smoothly. At all speeds, there are no crackling or unpleasant engine noises. At first speed, the Medify MA-25 produces a sound of 41.8 dBA. At second speed, 50.3 dBA. While at third speed, it produces a sound of 64 dBA. The volume is slightly louder at speed 3, but keep in mind that the airflow is strongest at this speed, so you won't use the device as often at max speed. A 28-watt engine delivering 230 cubic meters per hour of airflow is proof that Medify has excellent engineers who know how to optimize the engine. At speed 3, the Medify consumes approximately 26.3 watts. If you were to leave the unit running at this speed 24 hours a day for 1 month, your electricity bill would only increase by about $2.30. Although the electricity consumption is not high, the cost of replacement filters is much higher. Summarizing the electricity consumption and the price and duration of replacement filters, we can say that the Medify MA-25 is slightly more expensive to maintain annually. The Medify MA-25 is a small air purifier recommended for rooms up to 210 square feet. The Medify will clean the air 4.8 times in 1 hour in a room of this size. In the first test, in a 194 square foot room, the Medify improved the air quality by approximately 94% in 60 minutes of operation at maximum speed. This is an excellent result. In the second test, in a room of 320 square feet, which is slightly larger than the recommended dimensions, the Medify improved the air quality by approximately 91% in 60 minutes of operation at maximum speed. In both tests, the Medify showed excellent results, confirming outstanding performance. We were further surprised by the performance in a 320 square foot room, ensuring that the Medify MA-25 can easily be used in rooms slightly larger than the recommended dimensions. See how long it takes the Medify MA-25 to remove all the smoke from a glass box, running at maximum speed. The Medify MA-25 is a compact air purifier that uses a dual filter, contains a true HEPA filter, has the option to activate a lifetime warranty, is ENERGY STAR certified, and has very low energy consumption. On top of all that, it performs well in performance tests. Although we recommend this air purifier for rooms up to 210 square feet, it will perform very well in slightly larger rooms. Ideally, it fits a small living room, office, kitchen, and similar spaces. See a detailed review at airpurifierfirst.com. All links can be found in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and click subscribe. That's it for now.